One of the biggest political stories to come out of Georgia in the last 5 years is that 2020 election interference case in Fulton County against President Donald Trump and more than a dozen co-defendants. That case is still open, but its future is now in question. In the closing days of the 2025 legislative session, the Georgia General Assembly passed a bill that could open the door to President Trump and his co-defendants recovering attorney fees from the DA who indicted them. That's Fani Willis. Well, Brandon Beach, a state senator from Alpharetta, he was the key sponsor of this bill. And he spoke with us this past week for an episode of 11 Alive's politics show, The Georgia Vote. Senate Bill 244 applies to any criminal case in which a prosecutor is disqualified and the case is dismissed. If that happens, the defendant could recoup attorney's fees and related costs.
If a prosecuting attorney is disqualified for prosecutorial or personal misconduct and the case is dismissed by the courts, then those individuals that were indicted have the right to get compensation of legal fees and reasonable cost, and really to get their reputation back.
And as for the case out of Fulton County, it is still active. The Georgia Court of Appeals late last year released an opinion calling for the disqualification of DA Willis from this case following allegations that she engaged in an improper conflict of interest. But she asked the state Supreme Court to step in. So far, there is no decision on that request, and Willis has consistently defended the case and her conduct in it.